So what have we got? Protect the innocent. Nah, that's not us. Murder foe. So Countess Rashield wants us to murder somebody. How's our intrigue? It's not great. It's not great. We are more of a prowess person. We can use prowess for this. Burn property. Okay. There's also mug wealthy citizenry. Ah, that sounds fun too. All right, we're gonna start off with burning property. That's closer. So we have to travel to a certain location and commit arson. All right. Incendiary talk. The letter from Count Robert was illuminating. He seems incandescent with rage over some petty slight from Charles, real or imagined, and eager to put the man in his place, but not yet prepared to spill too much blood. The Count's plan is to have us set fire to some lesser property that Charles is involved with, or else reduce it in whatever way feels suitable. Indulging the request will no doubt inflame tensions, but